girl, I don't buy drinks at the bar. City girl, yeah, they rock with me, I'm a star. Get it, girl, keep on going, you gon' make it far. Get it, girl, get it, girl.
What's up, y'all? It's Bam. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back. And today's video is another wig tutorial that I'm doing for you guys. So I already dyed my roots off camera because I already have a tutorial of me like dyeing roots already, so I'll leave that link in the description box down below. Right here I'm just showing y'all the wig that I'm going to be recreating. So this wig is going to be like a light pastel soft color wig. So I'm going to be mixing every hair dye with conditioner so it can be like a light color instead of like too harsh. So I'm just showing you guys the hair dyes that I'll be using to achieve this look. So first I'll be taking this color right here. I mixed Azure blue and violet gem together, mixed with conditioner to get this color. So that's what I'm putting on here first. And y'all, working with hair dyes that's mixed with conditioner, you're going to have to blend the dye out into the hair like a whole lot. I was struggling because the hair is automatically not going to stick to the hair once you first put it on there. So you're going to have to really blend, comb through, whatever you need to do to get that color on your hair, because oh my gosh, I had to cut some clips out because this video would be way too long if I would have kept them clips in of me like blending out the hair. So that's just a little tip for y'all. So yeah, working with pastels, you're gonna have to put a lot of coats on that same spot, like to have the color stick to the hair. So now I'm putting the fruit punch color mixed with conditioner on right behind the first color. So this is basically gonna be an ombre wig all the way. So yeah. Y'all see how I'm combing the color through to get it to blend? Like, I was for real struggling with these pastels, y'all. But now I'm taking the pastel yellow and I'm putting it right behind that fruit punch color. So the last color that I'm putting on for this whole little ombre situation is this sweet mint green, and I'm going to put that right behind that pastel yellow. And I'm going to just repeat the same thing on the whole back section of my wig. So I'm going to come back when I'm at the top of the wig because I'm going to make one little small change, but it's nothing too major. So I'm going to come back when I'm done with this whole back section. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I already started on the top section of the wig. So the change is, instead of that deep dark blue that we first put on the wig at the bottom, now I'm taking the baby blue mixed with conditioner, and I'm gonna put the baby blue first at the top instead of the other blue. So that's the change, and yeah, I'm just gonna do that for the whole top section of the wig. Also, the rest of the colors are gonna be in the same order: the fruit punch, the yellow, and the mint green. That's all gonna stay the same in the same order. The only change is the baby blue at the top first, and then the rest of the colors follow behind. So yeah, but if you guys like this video so far, feel free to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, comment down below what videos y'all want to see next, because y'all know y'all can request for me to do videos like wig tutorials or any kind of tutorial y'all want to see. Just request it and I will do it. So feel free to DM me on Instagram. All my information will be in the description box down below. So this is how the wig looks once all the hair dye is applied onto the hair. So next I'm going to wash, condition, and then blow dry my hair. So I'm gonna be back once I do all of that. So after blow drying the hair, this is what it came out to look like. It's so pretty to me. But this is basically it for this video. Next is the presentation for you guys. I did pin curls on this wig, so if you guys want to know how I do my pin curls, I already have a tutorial on that already on my channel. So I'll leave that link in the description box down below, so you guys check that video out after this one. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Y'all, one more thing before I go. Remember I was telling y'all it's so hard to blend pastel colors into your hair? Well, some of the yellow came off of my hair, so it turned back blonde basically. So but it still came out cute, so I really wasn't complaining about it. But I just had to let y'all know that y'all really have to blend those pastel colors into your hair, or it's gonna like fade and turn back blonde.
rockin' pink, pink. Can you sit with me, bitch? What the fuck you think? Hell to the fuck no. Oh,